How to remove followers on Twitter. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove followers on Twitter. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Twitter app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store first if you have an Android and check if your Twitter is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to remove followers within the Twitter app. Once you have made sure that your app is up to date, just head on and open Twitter right here. And once you open the app, you should see your profile icon at the top left corner. So we'll just tap on that and click on profile over here. And let's click on the followers option right here. And this is where we can actually see the list of our followers. Or if you have a follower in mind, you can just search for their username. And let's just open up the profile that we want to remove as our follower. So once you've opened that specific profile, let's just tap on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner and click on block. So that user will no longer be able to follow or message you, and you will not see notifications from them once you have blocked them. So let's just tap on block right here. And that should block the user, and that should also remove them as your follower. So when we check our profile, as you can see, the follower count has been reducted. So usually we don't want to let that person know that we have blocked them, or you can also opt to keep blocking them. But I'm just gonna unblock them for the people that wants to. So to do that, let's just tap on our icon at the top left corner again and click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy and safety over here and click on mute and block. Click on blocked accounts, and to unblock a person, just tap on this block text right here, and that should immediately unblock that specific account. And once we visit our profile, that's still removed that specific account as our follower on Twitter. So that is how you can basically remove followers on Twitter. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.